Hello everyone, today I will be presenting about the Kendeda building for innovative sustainable design. So the architect is Lord Sargent in collaboration with the Miller Hall Partnership. The owner is Georgia Institute of Technology. It's located in Atlanta, Georgia. And the building program type is educational, which is on campus. The Kendeda building at Georgia Tech is a multidisciplinary educational building that serves as a working model of what possible with sustainable design. A fully integrated design, the Kendeda building is a synthesis of the Living Building Challenge. The Living Building Challenge is framed around 7 areas called petals, which are place, water, energy, health and happiness, materials, and equity and beauty. So the project attributes, the year of design completion was 2019. It's 3 number of stories, and uh, the foot square that is for the building is around 30,000 square foot. Um, and also there is an addition for the outdoor area as well. So the primary goals of this building, the design team focused on integration and multi-dimensional solutions in the process. So let's take a tour around the building. So the porch provides shaded space for outdoor programs while reducing building cooling loads. It collects enough solar energy and rainwater to meet the building demands. And also a central atrium space serves as the heart of the project and brings even daylight distribution to the deepest part of the port, as you can see in the picture here. It's mostly an open space that allows light to go into all the areas. And so they also have reduced embodied carbon goals led to the selection of wood as the primary structure, leaving the wood exposed, reduced the need for interior finishes, and provided a biophilic interior palette. And also steel was paired with timber, creating a hybrid system that employs each material to its highest and best capabilities. And for the exterior, where the weather protection is critical, high performance coating were used on steel members, concrete is limited to foundations and were beneficial for thermal mass. So first, I will also talk about the ecosystem this building offers. So the building landscape relies on species native of Atlanta's local ecosystem. So one of the key objectives of Georgia Tech landscape master plan is to create a landscape that has an open um, space system that restores and performs valuable ecological work for the campus. And another key feature of the plan is the restoration of 2 surface parking lots to the Eco Commons, permanent open space, and a stormwater management system, and the Kendeda building itself. The development of the Kendeda building, including 43.5% increased vegetation with 100% native species. So the water plays like a big role in this building because it offers a lot to make sure that all rainwater is reusable into this building. And so in a normal rain event, 90% of water remains on site. The solar canopy and the rooftop harvest approximately 40% of the site annual rainfall and funnels it to 50,000 gallons cistern in the basement. As you can see in this picture, there's three types of water. And so one type, which is the gray water that goes down the drain, but it actually ends up where the natural system, where the plants are, and that's how it filters out. And then another type of water, which is the HVAC system water. It's the condensate in a normal building. The condensate is usually dumped, but in this building they actually um, collect this water and use it to irrigate the landscape and the rooftop garden. And another type of water is the bio-waste water, which is where we use like the toilets. The toilets actually don't have water, they actually have foam water, which allows 0.8 gallons of water per flush. And so by doing that, it actually uses 97% less water. And after that, even the bio wastewater is actually recycled on campus. They don't go to like a sewer system. They have their own, which they call a composter that converts the organic waste into reusable compost and then pumped out to the leachate uh, leachate system, and it's like a gallon, like a water system that then could be filtered from and used for the landscape, the dedicated drip irrigation system. And so energy is another big part of this building. It's 72% more efficient than a similar building. The canopy is one of the defining design elements in this project. And so the building has 330,000 kilowatt solar array, which on average generates 450 kilowatts hours a year. And the building consumes an average of 330 kilowatts hours a year, which makes it comfortably net positive. And the building has also uh, it doesn't use a conventional air conditioning system. It is not used in the building. They actually have larger fans that keep the airflow, and they have in their concrete a pipe system that they can run hot water during the winter or cold water during the summer to cool the floor. Resources used, materials selection is the teamwork to reduce embodied carbon by salvaging most of the materials used, even like furniture. And for waste, one of the main methods that the building used is to incorporate one salvage material per 500 square meters of gross building areas. And this is it. Thank you for listening.